Volvo it-esque versus Peugeot 3008, full comparison. Most people get this wrong, but comparing the Volvo it-esque and Peugeot 3008 goes beyond looks. You won't believe how different these compact SUVs are in performance, comfort, and technology. The Volvo it shines with its premium interior, comfortable seating, and advanced safety features. It offers a smooth ride thanks to a refined suspension and packs intuitive infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Engine options include turbocharged gasoline, mild hybrid, and fully electric variants for flexible performance. The Peugeot 3008, on the other hand, emphasizes style and efficiency. It has a striking exterior, clever cabin layout, and advanced digital displays. Engine options focus on efficient petrol and diesel variants, with a plug-in hybrid available for eco-conscious buyers. Handling is agile, making city driving enjoyable. In terms of space, the Zisk offers slightly more cargo room, while the 3008 focuses on innovative storage compartments and a panoramic cabin feel. Safety ratings are excellent for both, though Volvo's reputation for protective technologies gives it a slight edge. Price-wise, the 3008 is often more affordable, while the Zisk leans toward premium buyers looking for luxury and advanced tech. In conclusion, choosing between the Volvo Zisk and Peugeot 3008 depends on priorities, comfort and safety for the Zisk, style and efficiency for the 3008. Both are excellent options, but understanding your needs will determine the better choice for you.